For today's video, I'm basically going to be doing a huge clothing cleave out. I'm so not excited to do this, but I have literally so many clothes I can't fit all of it away. So I'm going to attempt to throw some stuff out today and basically like do a huge tidy of everything. It's probably going to take me over a day, to be honest, but I thought it might be kind of satisfying to watch. I need to throw some stuff out, but I'm literally the worst person ever at throwing stuff out. I'm incapable of parting with clothes, so this is probably going to be such a struggle. Basically, I have clothes in here. This wardrobe is a complete mess. Oh, you can't even see it, great. I have these clothes, which just are not even like in any sort of order. Like, I need to organise that a bit. And then I have all these drawers, let me show you. I've kind of organised them, but obviously right now they're like not organised at all. But it's meant to be like underwear and stuff in the top drawer, which I will be sorting out, but you're not going to see that, sorry. The second drawer is short sleeve tops, third drawer is long sleeve tops, fourth drawer is pyjamas, and it was meant to be like loungewear, but I don't think it's all going to fit because I have so many pyjamas. And then bottom drawer is activewear and bikinis and stuff like that, you know. And then on my bed I have some clothes that haven't fit, and then I also have more there and there. So I have a lot of stuff to work with here. So basically the first thing I'm going to do is, this is what I always do when I have a clear out. I'm going to do it a bit differently because it never works. I usually just empty everything onto my bed and then like sort through it, but what happens then is I empty like all my clothes and then I get too lazy and never finish it, and then there's just clothes all over my room. So I'm going to do it by drawer, I think. So I think I'm going to empty the short sleeve drawer and then the long sleeve drawer onto my bed and sort through that. I'm also going to be showing you like some of my favourite clothes and stuff like that. I was going to do like a trying on my whole wardrobe, you know, there's like videos that people do, but that would take far too long and I'm so lazy, so I'm not going to be trying anything on, I don't think. Also, the stuff that I don't want, I'm going to be putting on Depop, so if you want to follow my Depop, that would be great. I think it's just Juliet Cairns, but I'll have it linked below. Do I like a mess? Probably. Also, this video is probably going to be filled with like so many time lapses, so just to be warned. Here is all the clothes I have to sort through. This is literally from 2 drawers. That's actually insane. I have too many clothes. So basically now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of these. I'm going to put them in piles first, so like what drawers they go in, and then I'm going to sort through separately through each pile with like what I want to keep and what I want to sell. This is going to take me so long. I regret doing this already. Also, I want to make the point that a lot of these clothes I did not even bring with me to uni, but I still like can't throw them out. Like, I haven't worn them in a whole year, but I'm still like, no, what if I need them at some point? Here's my short sleeve top pile. There's my long sleeve top, so I think I'm going to start on this one. I have like a bunch of t-shirts that are just like casual ones, so I'm just going to put all these in because like I feel as though you need casual t-shirts, you know? I think this angle is a bit better, you still can't really see me, but it's fine. But basically I put all of my like really casual t-shirts in this side. I mean, honestly, it's already like taken up most of the drawer, which is a bit of an issue, and also I haven't thrown out anything yet. But now I'm gonna move on to like my more nicer kind of tops, or like not nicer, but ones that I would like style nicely. Like these ones are all like if I'm just wearing something casual. So the first one is this t-shirt. I know it's still like a t-shirt, but it's a Harley Davidson one that I got from a thrift shop, and I really like this, so that's gonna go in there. I also have this, I never really wear this, but I don't want to throw it out. It's this Adidas like polo shirt kind of top. This is from Depop, I think. I'm not going to go through everything, but I'll maybe go through just a couple things that I have. I'm thinking of maybe selling this top. I don't know, because I only got it last summer and I never really wore it, and I'm like, maybe I should give it another chance. Okay, maybe I'll keep it just in case. Just in case we'll wear it again. Okay, yeah. I'm just putting in this vinyl bodysuit, which I really like. This is really flattering. I got it off of Depop, but it's like so good for nights out. I think I'm gonna sell this top. It's from Nasty Gal. Honestly, like, I don't even know how to work this top. I tried to put it on once and it just didn't work, and I've had it for ages and I've never like tried it again. So should I throw it out? Because I haven't really tried it. Oh my god, this is actually such an issue. Right, I'll put it in the pile for throwing out, but I might not throw it out. Oh, I have this top that is from Nasty Gal, but I got it off of Depop again. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's such a nice top. I'm gonna be selling this top. It was in a recent vlog. I got it from charity shop, but it is too small for me, so I'm gonna be selling this on my Depop. It's so nice. It's originally from Topshop. I literally love this top. Okay, the last thing I'm putting in my drawer is this bodysuit, because it's one of my favourites, so I want it to be on top. It's this Moschino one that I bought in Sicily, so I just really love it because it reminds me of there, so this has to go on top. Here is what my drawer looks like. It all fits, but I just know as soon as I move stuff about, it's like not gonna fit again. But this is all I have to throw out. Honestly, this is good for me, and I'm still like unsure if I'm actually even gonna throw all of this stuff out. But it's just stuff that like I don't ever really wear. This I did wear, but actually I think I'm gonna keep this. Also, this top I love so much. I'm not throwing it out, but I just feel as though it needs to be hung up because it's like so like delicate, I think. So I'm gonna hang that one up. Now I'm gonna go into this pile, my long sleeve tops. Oh god, I'm not excited to do this. I want to stop already. Here's Danny up the hill right now. Glad I'm not there. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna try not film that much and then I'll take a break. But I have this top, which is a really nice top. I've barely worn this because I feel as though I don't really have any bottoms that match it that well, but I love this top. It's from Topshop. Oh, I have this shirt that I just bought. I showed it in a haul actually, so you'll have already seen that. I'm gonna charge my camera for a bit, so sorry I can't show you any more of my long sleeve tops, but I will be back to do the rest of the drawers. And the wardrobe. Oh my god, I forgot how to do that too. Oh, this is gonna take me so long. I've finished doing all of my drawers now, so I'm gonna show you. Honestly, I really have not thrown out much stuff, and they kind of still barely close, but they are neater. So I'm like, at least I did something. So my short sleeve drawer, oh no. Okay, well, you can tell everything is folded. Here's this one. These are my long sleeve tops, so again, everything's a bit neater. I know it's still really full, but I couldn't think of anything else to throw out. Here's pajamas, and then this one is like activewear stuff, and then I have like some bikinis over there. It's literally over a week later, and I'm only now getting round to doing my wardrobe because honestly I was just dreading it. I had to prepare myself. Let me show you a close-up. So basically I need to take everything out of this wardrobe. As you can tell, like literally the stuff barely even fits in here, and I still have all of this stuff to hang up. So I don't really know how this is going to be physically possible, I'm not gonna lie, but what I'm gonna do is just take everything out like I did with the drawers, and then sort everything into piles. Also, the annoying thing about doing this is that I'm gonna have to take everything out after I tidy it because I'm technically meant to be like moving into Danny's flat tomorrow, or not moving, but like bringing a lot of stuff up to Danny's flat, which means I'm gonna just have to take tons of clothes. So I'm gonna have to sort through all this again. But for the video, I'm gonna do what I was meant to do like 2 weeks ago. Here's everything. Now I need to sort through it. It's probably going to take me a while. So basically I'm just going to arrange these into categories of trousers, skirts, dresses, jumpers, and then I think I have a few jackets as well. Literally just sorted out so much stuff and realised it wasn't filming, so I'm sorry. So I've kind of finished sorting everything out. I've got dresses there, jumpers, skirts, trousers. I started to put some stuff in the wardrobe, just some jackets like at the back. I still haven't sorted out any of this stuff, but I'll do that once I've done all of this. Also, I've kind of given up on the idea of throwing stuff out. I just know it's not going to happen. I'm unable to do it, so I'm just not going to stress myself out about it. So I put some jackets at this side of the wardrobe, and then I've put in this jumpsuit that I've got, which I never really wear, but I wore it in Paris, so again, I'm probably just not going to throw this out. I have some 2-piece sets here, which I really like, so I thought I'd show you. So I've got this one from Meshgate, it's just this like satin set, and then this one from IMG. I really like these and I wear these quite a lot, so they're going there. And then I'm going to start on my dresses. I also have these 2 dresses that I love. So this one is originally from Zara, but I got it off of Depop. I love it. And then I also have this one from IMG, which I posted on my Instagram quite a few times, but I also love that. Okay, here are the dresses. I also have this dress. I also got off Depop. It's from Princess Thing, and it's such a nice dress. So that's the last dress that's been hung up, and now I think I'm going to go on to jumpers. Also, I realised you can't even see like the top of my head, but I look a mess anyway, so. Jumpers are also done. I hardly have any room left, but I still have skirts and trousers to do. Lime green flares, which I also really like, that are from Opoly, which I think I bought for St. Patrick's Day. This is all the stuff from my floor. I didn't realise that there was still so much stuff left, and my wardrobe's already full, so I'm gonna sort it out anyway, but I do not even know if I'll be able to fit it in my wardrobe. I wanted to show you an update. Basically, I am gonna probably end the video because I still have some stuff here which I'm gonna show you a wee bit in a second. I can't fit everything into the wardrobe. This is what the wardrobe looks like right now. It's already kind of too full, and this stuff is all stuff to go in the drawers, and as you can tell, the drawers are already overflowing. I wanted to take you through my wardrobe layout that I've done. So I've got some jackets here, I've got dresses up to here, I think, jumpers, skirts, trousers, and like jeans and stuff. So I still wanted to show a couple of items that I cannot fit in my wardrobe. So the first one actually is over here, is this top that I got. If you watched the Boyfriend Buys My Thrift Clothes outfit, this is from that video, and it's a vintage Armani top, and it's so nice, so I wanted to show that. Then I also just bought this dress. I don't know really if you'll be able to tell. I will probably do a haul at some point, but it's basically this like crochet tasseled dress that I'm gonna wear when we go to France, and I'm so excited. It's such a nice dress. I have this one, which is a shirt dress, and it has like ruching at the bottom, and this is so flattering on. What else? Oh, I just bought these white jeans. I'm not really a jeans kind of person, but I just bought those white jeans and I really like them. And then I also bought this literally like 2 days ago. It's like this brown faux leather jacket. I got it from a charity shop and I love it. I think it's so cool. And then the last thing was this skirt, which I've put on my Instagram so many times, and I'm pretty sure I've worn it in like every vlog. It's this Nike tennis skirt, which I love, that Danny got me. So I'm gonna try and put some of that stuff away, but I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I literally look like such a mess. I really don't even want to show myself on camera right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was quite satisfying maybe, and I will see you in my next video.